Oh boy, here we go.
You know the Pythagorean theorem?
I am familiar, yes.
What do the little flying twos mean?
That you're gonna repeat sophomore year while the rest of us are juniors.
Ah, very funny.
You sure this is the quickest way to get to the market?
It's rush hour. You don't want to face the subway now. We don't have a choice.
That's one way to shake off the rust.
I feel bad for her. I'm fine being separated from the pack.
Why attack us though? It's not like we were threatening her.
Let's keep going. Maybe we'll find our answer at the market.
That bee had to come from here. Let's see what's going on.
Sure, lead the way.
No, seriously though, is being able to calculate the area of a triangle really an everyday skill?
That's how you figure out how many slices of pepperoni you can fit on one slice of pizza.
There.
Math can also help you win a fight. There's a reason we say angle of attack.
You know, when it comes to fighting, I prefer a straight line between me and the other guy.
Those must be the Mubies who attacked.
Do seem... making me more angry.
Delta formation.
I thought we were friends with these guys. We broke breadsticks together.
Humans are just starting to accept mutants. If we let these guys mess with the small business, it'll be back to the sewers for all of them.
No high school, no girls, no mid-afternoon bacon, egg, and cheese buns.
Are you seriously trying to motivate us with breakfast sandwiches?
Best pregame speech ever.
Ugh!